The Trillionaire Boom.
See the news. Elon Musk is the first trillionaire in the world.
I saw that. On June 12, 2026, SpaceX made history. With the biggest stock market debut ever on the Nasdaq. That single IPO pushed his net worth past $1.1 trillion.
Wait. Explain this to me. Why did this happen so fast?
Well, it's a mix of a few massive things. Investors are throwing money at it because of Starlink, their satellite internet service, which is making a ton of revenue globally.
Ah. So it's not just about flying to Mars.
Exactly. Plus, SpaceX recently merged with his AI company xAI. So investors are also buying the future of global internet, space travel, and artificial intelligence. All in one package. Musk owns nearly half of the company.
But hey, I read SpaceX employees also are part of the new rich.
Yes, that is one of the best parts of this story. The IPO turned over 4,000 everyday workers into millionaires overnight.
Were they all top executives?
No, SpaceX employees are also paid with shares, not just cash. That means all regular workers became partial owners.
That's amazing. So they became multimillionaires when the stock went public.
That's right.
And have you seen what his company is doing to make people walk again?
Oh, you mean Neuralink. That's his neurotechnology company.
How exactly does it help someone walk?
Neuralink implants a tiny brain chip that reads the patient's thoughts. It sends those signals wirelessly to move their legs, completely bypassing the spinal injury.
So patients who were completely paralyzed are actually regaining their freedom?
Yes, Musk's ultimate medical goal for Neuralink is to cure paralysis completely.
It sounds like science fiction, but it's happening right now in 2026.
Absolutely. It's a whole new world. What happened?
Mary told Sam that Elon Musk had become the world's first trillionaire after SpaceX's massive Nasdaq debut. Sam explained that this boom was driven by a powerful package combining Starlink's global internet, space travel, and an xAI merger. He also highlighted that the IPO turned over 4,000 regular employees into overnight millionaires because they owned company shares. Finally, they discussed Neuralink. Sam also explained how its brain chip wirelessly sends signals to help paralyzed patients walk again. Mary concluded that while it sounded like science fiction, it was already a reality in 2026. Key information. US versus UK.
Trillion. 1, 12 zeros. Or a million.
Trillion actual. Short scale. 1, 12 zeros. Or a million. Past, large scale. 1, 18 zeros, or a million.
While the UK officially adopted the US short scale for government statistics in 1974, many older British speakers or traditional texts still think of the much larger number when they hear trillion.
Grammar tips.
Business English. To throw money at something. To spend a large amount of money on something.
Example. Investors are throwing money at it because of Starlink.
To go public. When a company offers shares of its stock to the general public on a stock exchange, like the Nasdaq, for the first time.
Example. So they became multimillionaires when the stock went public.
Listen and repeat.
The Trillionaire Boom. Why did it happen so fast? Space travel and artificial intelligence. Over 4,000 everyday workers became millionaires. It sounds like science fiction.
Check your understanding.
Are you ready? Let's check.
Who became the world's first trillionaire in 2026?
Elon Musk.
Why did SpaceX's value jump so fast?
Because of Starlink space travel and an xAI merger.
How many regular SpaceX workers became millionaires overnight?
Over 4,000.
What does Neuralink use to help paralyzed patients walk again?
A tiny brain chip that sends wireless signals.
Please subscribe to the channel.